Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Outlook email to Gmail. Now we are going to do it here. I'm going to head over here in Gmail and then click the See All Settings, Accounts and Import, and check mail from other accounts. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and log in the Gmail account. So it's going to be this one right here. Click Next, and then link accounts with Gmailify. Click Next once again. All right, seems like that's done now. Go ahead and close this one. And if we head over here, basically what's going to happen is that every message that we're going to receive here should also be received here. So let's go ahead and check or try this one. Let's go ahead and test subject 1 and then click the send button. Again, we're trying to send it to my Outlook account. Click that one, and you can see that the moment you do that, you should be or you are receiving this as well. So yeah, that is how you're going to do it. So again, everybody, this is how you're going to add Outlook email to Gmail.